Hey, so what if I told you there are 5 ways to make money without trading every hour of your life for it? No get-rich-quick nonsense, just 5 real passive income streams. What they cost, what they actually pay, and which one fits you. Stick around for number 1, because almost nobody explains it right. Quick heads up before we start. Passive income almost always needs upfront work or upfront money. If anyone tells you it's 100% effortless, they're selling you something. Okay, let's go. Number 5, high-yield savings and bonds. The boring but real one. Put your cash in a high-yield savings account, CDs or bonds, instead of a regular checking account. Costs you $0 to $100 to start. Returns low but stable. This is your foundation, not your fortune. Best if you've got 0 passive income right now and just need somewhere safe to park cash. Number 4, affiliate marketing and content. The start with nothing one. Make content, YouTube, blog, social, whatever, and earn a commission when people buy what you recommend. Costs you nothing but your time. It takes months to build, but once it's out there, it keeps earning. Content ranks and gets found forever. Warning, it's a slow burn. Most people quit right before it pays off. Number 3, digital products. The build once, sell forever one. Templates, courses, ebooks, presets. Make it once, sell it 1,000 times. Costs your time to build, maybe a small platform fee. It scales beautifully. No extra cost per sale. Best for people who already have a skill others want. The hard part isn't selling it. It's making something people actually want to buy. Number 2, dividend investing. The own a piece of a company one. Buy stocks or ETFs that pay you just for holding them. Start with as little as $50 to $100. Yield's modest, but it compounds if you reinvest it. Great for a set it and forget it style. One warning, don't chase the highest yield you can find. A dividend that looks too good is often a red flag in disguise. Number 1, real estate. Rental property, or REITs, the one almost nobody explains correctly. Earn rental income from property you own. Or, if a whole property's out of reach, buy a REIT, which lets you own a slice of real estate for the price of a stock. A full property costs tens of thousands. A REIT can start at $10 to $50. Rental property pays monthly cash flow, but comes with real work. Repairs, tenants, vacancies. REITs are hands-off, but pay less. Here's why it's number 1. Real estate is one of the only passive income sources that can pay you while it also grows in value on its own. So that's it. 5 passive income streams actually worth your time in 2026. From the safest high-yield savings to the biggest long-term payoff, real estate. None of these are truly passive on day one. They all cost you money or time up front. The real question isn't which one is best. It's which one fits where you are right now. Want a full deep dive on one of these? Comment below and tell me which one. And if this helped, hit subscribe because next week I'm breaking down something you don't want to miss. See you in the next one.